You want to retarget people who've already watched your videos on Facebook or Instagram? In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to create a custom audience of video viewers inside Meta Ads Manager. First, log into your Meta Ads Manager account. From the left-hand menu, click on All Tools, then go to Audiences. Now click the blue Create Audience button and select Custom Audience. A pop-up window will appear asking you to choose your source. From the list of sources, select Video under the Meta Source category. This lets you build an audience based on people who have interacted with your videos on Facebook or Instagram. Next, choose the engagement type. From the drop-down, select People who have viewed at least 50% of your video, meaning Meta will include users who watched half or more of your video, showing strong interest in your content. Click Choose Videos and pick the videos from your Facebook page or Instagram account that you want to include in this audience. You can select one or multiple videos depending on your strategy. Now, set your audience retention period to 30 days. This means Meta will keep people in this audience for up to 1 month after they've viewed your video. Finally, give your audience a clear name, for example, 50% video viewers 30 days, and click Create Audience. Meta will now start collecting people who meet this condition. You can now use this custom audience when creating your next ad campaign. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Digital Growth Tutor for more Meta Ads tutorials.